Avocado, that peculiar and versatile fruit, has managed to conquer palates all around the world. Its creamy texture and mild flavor make it a star ingredient in countless recipes, from the most traditional to the most innovative. In many regions, we know it as palta, a name that evokes its origin and connection with cultures that have revered this food for centuries. But beyond its delicious taste, the avocado is a true nutritional treasure that deserves to be explored in depth. It is often referred to as a superfood, and for good reason. This fruit is an abundant source of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. These fats not only help lower bad cholesterol levels in the blood, but also promote overall cardiovascular health. By incorporating avocado into our diet, we provide our bodies with a powerful ally in the fight against heart disease and other related health issues. But the benefits of avocado don't stop there. This fruit is also an excellent source of fiber, an essential nutrient that promotes digestive health and helps maintain a healthy weight. Fiber is known for its ability to keep us feeling full longer, which can be a great advantage for those looking to control their appetite. Additionally, avocado is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, which acts as a potent antioxidant, vitamin C, which supports the immune system, and vitamin K, crucial for bone health. It also contains potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure and maintaining fluid balance in the body. In the kitchen, avocado presents itself as a blank canvas, ready to be transformed into a variety of dishes. One of the most iconic is undoubtedly guacamole. Making guacamole is an art that has been passed down from generation to generation, and its simplicity is part of its charm. With just a few ripe avocados, chopped onion, fresh cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt, you can create a dip that is not only delicious but also a feast for the senses. The combination of flavors and textures makes each bite a unique experience. But guacamole is just the beginning. Avocado can be spread on toast, mixed into salads, or even blended into smoothies to add creaminess and a nutritional boost. In Mexico's culinary culture, avocado holds a privileged place. It is not just an ingredient, it is a symbol of identity and tradition. In tacos, tortas, and enchiladas, avocado becomes the perfect complement, enhancing flavors and connecting us to our roots. Each bite of a dish that features avocado reminds us of the richness of Mexican cuisine and the importance of this fruit on our tables. The versatility of avocado allows it to adapt to different cooking styles, from the most traditional to the most contemporary, making it a favorite worldwide. However, to fully enjoy the benefits of avocado, it is essential to know how to properly choose and store this fruit. When looking for avocados at the market, it's important to find those that are firm but yield slightly to the touch. This is an indicator that they are ripe and ready to be consumed. If you purchase avocados that are still hard, you can leave them at room temperature to help them ripen faster. Once you cut them, a helpful trick is to spray the exposed part with a little lemon juice. This not only adds a touch of flavor, but also prevents oxidation, keeping the avocado fresh for longer. It is interesting to note that although avocado has a high caloric value compared to other fruits, its nutritional profile makes it a healthy option. The calories it provides come mainly from its healthy fats, which are essential for the body's functioning. Additionally, there are over 500 varieties of avocado, although the Hass variety is the most common and the one we all know and love. Its rough, dark skin, which turns almost black when ripe, is a distinctive feature that makes it easily recognizable. As avocado gains popularity, not just in the kitchen but also in the realm of health and wellness, it is essential to appreciate its value in our diets. This fruit is not only a delight for the palate, but also a gift from nature that offers us countless benefits. From its ability to improve heart health to its contribution of essential nutrients, avocado stands out as a food that deserves a prominent place on our tables. So the next time you sit down to enjoy a delicious dish that contains avocado, whether it's creamy guacamole, a vibrant toast, or a fresh salad, remember that you are not just pleasing your palate, but also nourishing your body. Avocado is more than just an ingredient. It is a celebration of health, tradition, and creativity in the kitchen. We invite you to continue exploring the wonders that this fruit has to offer and to savor every bite it gives us.